Yes, people, finally reach at the funeral area. So we headed inside the church now. Yeah, that this is Birds Hill. That's a Birds Hill area. This is the area they call Birds Hill. That's a Birds Hill area. Beautiful hillside. Uh, all right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Come. What is this? Yeah, man. So, that's the birds area. Nice area. Loving it. Awesome. Nice coconut trees. They seem to be very fruity. I see a lot of variety of plants and herbs. Yeah, that's the Birds Hill area. So that's a little view I'm giving you a Birds Hill area. So, you know, I head into the church now. Yeah, heading straight to the church. Yeah, my brother is his wife, cousin, wife auntie. Yes, she died, and it's her funeral. So, right, we'll thank you now. Yeah, so we heading to the church now, and heading to the church.
These are igloos on the road. As you know, this is called the Bird Hill community. This is where 100 people them thing. As you can see, the Bird Hill, Seventh-day Adventist Church. Alright?
Yes, we reach at the church, and people gather. The church is full to the brim. As the people have to be standing outside. You have to be standing outside. You got the church. That's a Birds Hill Seventh-day Adventist. See the sign? Seventh-day Adventist Church, Birds Hill. They call this this is what? The chariot. Bring the coffin. Eddie inside the church. Yes, people, beautiful singing. Yes, beautiful singing. Be blessed and graceful.
Good afternoon, everyone. You know, P.
That's to see.
I know P for a very long time.